She is trapped in a deadly vice, an impossible wall behind it and hungry crocodiles in front of it. A mother's love for her young is an unwavering force, a bond that drives her to face unimaginable dangers. She dodges the deadly strikes, knowing that survival against such odds is a battle that she must endure. Despite not being on her familiar land, neither the safe trees, the baboon withstands the horror with astonishing agility. But unfamiliar with the river, she keeps darting back and forth, lost in a desperate struggle to find a way out. Discovering that every direction in the water leads to Jaws. As she finds a small hollow in the cutbank, she pauses to catch her breath, faced with a final decision. With a sacrificial goodbye, she releases her young to climb towards safety, as its small weight allows it to, knowing this is the final act of love. She is fully aware that this is her last moment, yet still clings to the steep earthen wall. And in a heartbeat, the mother's unwavering love, unyielding devotion, and tireless efforts are all swallowed by the merciless river, consumed by the relentless beasts below.